I took a trip to see what is new at Aldi right now. All right, so it is summertime, so they have a lot of summer things, and it's 4th of July weekend coming up too. So you can grab some of these things. They have like some things for the grills. They have a tabletop gas grill in too. They just had one left. They had a few of the pizza oven things, but not so many of the tabletop ones. These I think would be great for packing. I don't know the price of these because they didn't have the little thing, but you get the little 5 pieces. I think those would be good for packing. They have the little carts that you can take out. These carts are everywhere. Everybody has like their own version of the carts. But like I said, a lot of things for grilling at Aldi right now that you I think that's for grilling. It has like wood handles on the side, but I think that's for grilling. These right here, they had this right here. So a mini dehumidifier. I don't know how that works. But yeah, they had like a mini version of that one right there. They just had like a few things, and this is like the smallest section. They have a bigger section with like different items and stuff, but this is like the smallest section that they have at my Aldi. This one is closer to the checkout, so if you're on your way out, you could grab some of these things at my Aldi. They also switched around the way everything was. Usually, it was when you first walk in the bigger section, they pushed it back. But yeah, so they have these food storage containers right here. So you get a set of 24 of these. These are with the top, so you get the 24 pieces all together. This right here, this is kind of heavy too. So it's a little serving dish thing, so you can put the different sauces and stuff in there. This, I didn't pick up much food today, but I was thinking about getting it. I don't know. The seafood boil, and then you could pair it with like shrimp, or they have the crab. But I think it'd be cheaper just to get some crab legs, some like stew Leonard or something like that, and put that together. These were new. I never saw these before. Interesting, because I'm wondering, does the gravy like melt and then it's like kind of like a lava cake? I don't know. But it was like $4.79 for that. Like, and then I'll always check out like the snacks, the frozen treats and stuff like that. They had some Johnny Pop and that one was like a nice light flavor for that one right there. And then they had like the M&M cookie sandwiches, like ice cream sandwiches. They had those and then they had like an Oreo sandwich too. I'm trying to cut back on ice creams and different things like that, but these did look interesting. I did debate on getting those. I really came here for these. These are my favorite burger patties right now. So I came here for these, and they seem to be keeping them keep restocking them at my Aldi, which is great. And another one that is good for the 4th of July weekend. Then I went over to back to the original section, like the big section of the home stuff at my Aldi. So they had a few good things, and they had the collapsible laundry basket. These type of things I think are good for, I know it's early, but back to school shopping for like dorms and stuff like that. And then you can see the prices. Sometimes you can figure out the price, sometimes you can't. The prices are everywhere with the items at my Aldi. I don't know, but about 50% of the time you can see what the price is for something. These right here, so these microwave cleaner mist things, they had any cute little shapes. The first time I saw these were at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree had one for $1.25, but you can grab them here, and these are bigger, for $4.99. They had some bamboo cleaning products, so the little scrubby brush things. They had like a few different options, and like it looks nice and neat and neutral when you grab those. These, another nice cute neutral piece. You could put those in your bathroom, put those in your kitchen for like your hand soaps, lotion, different things like that. At Aldi they had like regular things like, socks, all that good stuff. These right here, so underwear. So this, okay, so they had the underwear pack, and then they had this long sports bra. So usually I'm used to just a regular sports bra or a t-shirt with like, support in it, but they called it a long sports bra. These organizational pieces right here they have, so they have like some organizational items in right now at Aldi, that they did restock up this week at my Aldi. They have like the cubes, and these cubes felt nice and sturdy, for those, and you get multiple in the pack of those. They had a lot of items still for the pool, so because summer really just kicked off. It is July, but summer really just kicked off, so you still have months of it. These little door signs, okay, so it's 4th of July weekend, but I think these will still be cute. So you have like the little bee gnome on one side, and then the other side is gonna be like the red, white, and blue theme. But they were buried in there because the weekend's coming up. But I would think you would push them to the front so that you can sell them before the weekend ends. But they had a few just tucked back there behind like the sleeping bags and loungers and different things like that. The pool, like floaties, they have some. I thought that was cute because it's like a tumbler shape. So you could have your tumbler lay out on the pool. They had some outdoor games at my Aldi. They had a few like clothing pieces, pajama sets, different things. The good clothing pieces at my Aldi, they go fast. And like I said, a lot of times I don't know what the price is on them because they are all mixed up. They had a few different candle options. I find it interesting that a lot of the candle scents are not like those traditional smell good scents anymore. They're just like interesting scents. They had these gnome ones. I thought those were cute. Those are candles. You take the top off and stuff like that. Thought those were cute. They had these gnomes down here, but you see that some of them were broken, so they was real fragile, and they have like little snails too. And then they had these little like bird bath ones right here. So that one in the back is like two little frogs on it, which I thought was cute. So you can get a few options in those. They had these little clear crossbody bags. They came in different colors too at Aldi, and I think those were like just like $6.99. And then they had some tablecloths. So they had this, they had another print. I'm sure they have other prints, but those were the prints that they had at my Aldi. These, okay, the details on it, it looks cute, but you can see most of them were cracked. And for it to be that material, I think $17 was a lot for that. For it to be that material. If it was like maybe a different material that didn't crack so easy, then maybe a little bit more. But I thought that was a lot for that right there. They have these little placemats. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like that elevated detail to it. They had a few different ones. They're nice and heavy too, those. So if you were looking for a doormat, those were cute. They only had one of these. Okay, so we just went to my first lemonade stand that we have been to ever. And they use like those, and it's like making lemonade fresh is so easy apparently too. But I thought that was cute, and you don't have to make a lemonade stand. You just make fresh lemonade, in your house with that. They had like some other things, like some shells and stuff like that you can use to organize. The price was not 13 for that. I don't think so. They had this table right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's upside down on the package. These I think are good. So you go into water parks, theme parks, different things like that where your phone might get splashed. These look like heavy, hardcore, heavy duty. I think like they might be good for water. I use like an OtterBox for my phone, which it keeps up great, but I think that might be good for water. These little solar lights, so stinking cute. And these came in different options too, but I thought those were so stinking cute. They had sleeping bags, like I said, for adults. For kids, they had like lounges, like foldable chairs, different things. So a lot of things for outdoors at Aldi this week. If you are like an outdoorsy person, definitely look at those because they had some good options in at Aldi's when I did go. This right here, super cute. So it's like a little hanging chair. It is not like it is a hanging chair. So they had that one, and then they say it's like boho style. They had some pillows in. Sometimes you can find some good sheets too at Aldi. They had some outdoor rugs in at Aldi. They had this piece right here, so this little tray. You can use it for your laptop tray, but you can also use it like say, sometimes people have like breakfast trays. You can use it like that. This fan I thought was interesting. So they only had that one in, but it took. Oh, and it had two. I see it back there now. So they had two in, but I thought it was interesting. I've never seen like a fan shaped like that. And it was like $50 for that one right there. And then they had like water shoes in that you can grab, and they had those in different colors too, in different sizes, so you can grab it too. And they were lightweight too. They were really lightweight. Then they had like some kitchen textiles and stuff like that. So dish rags. They had oven mitts. They had pot holder set, like the oven mitt pot holder set. And they had I think some kitchen towels and too at Aldi. These placemats I thought were cute. These come in different colors according to the box. This is the one that they had left. I like these. I like these. And you get a set of four for $5. So it's $1.25 a piece for those. And then these, so you can get this right here, like with the soft little spatula one, and then it has like the wood handle. Then they have the other two options there too. So the wood spoons and then the little tongs. You can grab those. They had some ice trays in that you can grab. So it's like that small cubed ice. And it comes with the top. I love an ice tray with a top on it. I don't know. I don't like the ice open. I always rinse my ice off. I don't like the ice open in the freezer. The little food chopper, they had that, and then you could see it does different cuts, so you can get a few different style cuts out of those. And then they had the salad spinner in too at Aldi when I went, and they had a few of those in too, and that was like. I've had a salad spinner before, and it was like a little flimsy. That one seemed good. It seemed like it was like a nicer quality of it. Like I said, a lot of things for outdoors, different things to grab for the season. So if you are like, I'm not good, I don't know what is good for outdoors, what you might like, but I thought that was cool. Okay, so my idea, see, like that looks like kind of my idea. I've seen people at like festivals and stuff like that, and some people have brought like blow up sofas. I think that is such a good idea rather than sitting outside, whether you're doing like a picnic, something like that. It's kind of hot to bring on the beach, but yeah, I think those are such a good idea rather than just sitting flat on the ground. They have floating dog toys that you can grab, and they had some different versions of those too at all these Bluetooth speakers, snorkeling sets, and these a lot of these are one-offs. They just had them sitting around at my Aldi, so they were just like in random spots. So they, like I said, they were one-offs. They had these little food storage containers, and these come with the tops. The tops are where the cute little print and stuff is on. The bottom is just solid, and they had a few different options of those at all these, and you can see they have different little compartments in it too, so you can separate your food and stuff like that. Collapsible buckets, dish set right here, and then these, I think these are so cute too. They go to with the little bee solar lights. So these are hummingbird feeders, so I thought those are cute, and they have like little flower details along the bottom. I just thought that was fun, something fun if you like to decorate like your yard, your garden, different things like that. Draft beer, I don't drink beer, but that looks interesting. So a little beer dispenser, $25 for that one right there. Like I said, a lot of pool things. So they have the floaties all over the place. They say they had a domino set too. So this is like the lawn dice, but they said they had a domino set too. So you might be able to find that, like something fun for outside. The gnomes, they have different versions of them, but they had two different ones at mine. So he has a little flag style on his head, and then this one right here, I thought it was so cute. So you can get, well, they had those two at mine, but I think there's like four versions of those at Aldi. And then they have these right here, so something cute for the kids. So these are the hooded towels. They had a lot of different ones in those, and it's like the squishmallows. So they had that. They had the like the little flip flop slides. They had a waffle maker. They had the actual squishmallows. They had like a lot of cute little options, stuff for the kids. So I don't know, like, my kid is old, like she's a teen now, so I missed this whole squishmallow thing. Are the characters like certain characters? Is there a show? I don't know, but they have like the brushes. But if they have a favorite character, you could probably put the favorite character together and make like a cute little set. But they had the little waffle makers, so you could make like the little mini waffles. And like I said, they had the big squishmallows too. Like I said, a lot of little organizer things. All these has some good organizational items. They come and they go, but they have, if you can find them, they have some good organizational items. A lot of closet basics like socks, underwears, different things like that you can grab, little cute outfits. Sometimes they had these hooks right here that you can grab for a couple of dollars. This flashlight right here too. So I like a good flashlight. So this is a LED flashlight. It has like a little USB thing so you can charge it and stuff too. I didn't see the plug, so you gotta have your own little plug to charge that up. These disinfectants, $3. So that's $1 a piece for each one, which is cheaper than going to Dollar Tree or something like that to grab those. So if you're looking, they had this another one for camping. So I've always noticed every summer they have a lot of camping things. So I don't know if you're a camper, is that where you go? Like I would think you would go to like a sporting goods store and stuff like that, but all these carries a lot of camping stuff. So yeah, maybe that is where people go. I don't know. They have the storage bin totes and stuff like that to store away. They have these right here. At first, I was like, oh, boogie boards, but no, those are like the little floaties for the kids. And again, they have the cute little characters and stuff on those. So they have a few different options in those at Aldi, and then some shoes. So this is not where the shoes go, so I can't tell you the prices on these, but they probably was just the leftovers. But these I thought were super cute. So I don't know if you can see, it had like a little polka dot print too on the back, and then it had like the little scalloped edge. Thought that was cute. They had some nice plain, not plain, but like some nice everyday sandals that you can grab. That one had the crisscross. That one had like the little rivet detail on it. And then this one had like the metallic style on it. And then these right here, these flip flops, they had like a really thick sole on these too. So these might be good for like, summer walks and stuff like that. If you are looking for some new summer shoe options. This right here, so they only had like one, but it's supposed to change color. So it's like the globe to change color. They have that LED lighting option and like I said, the prices were a bit mixed up, but they have this right here, the little water dispenser. You can find those a lot of different places and stuff too, if you are looking for those. But they have these, all these too. They'll have a lot of good things for pets too. So they had that right there, and then they had these cute little beds. And I just saw this same style bed at Home Goods. I didn't check the price because they were not in the market for a new bed. And my dogs are funny. They don't like certain things. Dolly used to like a bed like that, but she changed and she doesn't like. But they had the pineapple, they had like the little fish lobster looking thing, they had that other one there. But yeah, and then they had this right here. So the little seat cushion. I don't know, the way it looks like it might be cooling too. Like it might be not, not hot. But they had that. They had this big pet bed here that you can get. They had the outdoor carpet, and if you saw earlier, they had that in a different color too. So they had the green and then they had the black in that one.